Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually today I am visiting IRONHILL. So this is the entrance. There is no entry fees and this side is the parking space. IRONHILL is located in Bengaluru, Marathahalli. I'll be pinning the location on the description. They have very good ambience and my favorite spot was definitely the one with the aquarium fishes. As I'm someone who loves aquarium fishes, I absolutely love this spot. It overall has 2 floors and this is the view of first floor. And this is the view of second floor. If you guys are planning to visit this place during weekends, please do reserve a table in advance because during weekends it is very hard to get a table as it is too crowded. So here is the footpath and my second favorite spot. As it was already evening, I did not feel like having heavy, but still I wanted to try something new which I haven't tasted. Plus I ordered which looked attractive in the food menu. I had given the ratings in the video so you guys can check the food ratings also. So I have ordered dim sum, chipotle chicken wings, cheese garlic bread, mango lavender slash, mango panna cotta, prawns bao. I would give 10 on 10 for this mango panna cotta as it was super delicious. As I kept that in my mouth, it melted just like that and I loved a lot. I would give 6 on 10 for this dim sum ruby pink and pillows because the expectation which I had when I saw that in food menu was totally different when I tasted. So I personally did not like it. I would give 9 on 10 for chipotle chicken wings as it was slightly spicy. Apart from that, it was very good. I would give 7 on 10 for mango lavender slash because it was similar to mango juice itself. Only for the presentation I can rate 7 on 10. Prawns bao, I tried it for the first time and it tasted very good and I loved it. So I would give 10 on 10 for it. For cheese garlic bread, I would give 8 on 10. Actually, I had a good experience coming to IRONHILL. So that's all for now. See you all in the next video. Bye.